Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you the 9 best tips for personal finance. If you are having trouble with personal finance, or are merely searching for an edge to help you manage your personal finance better, then this video is for you. The recommendations in this short video can teach you to better, and as a result more successfully manage your financial resources despite their existing state. 1. Examine your credit report on a regular basis to make certain that absolutely nothing is injuring your credit. Each of the 3 significant credit agencies is needed to give you a totally free credit report as soon as each year. By spacing out your requests, you can get a free credit report every 4 months. 2. A crucial suggestion to enhancing your personal monetary option is paying off your credit card balances completely on a monthly basis. Credit card companies can charge extremely high rates, sometimes in excess of 15%. If you wish to make the most impact in improving your financial resources, pay off your credit card balances first because they frequently charge such a high interest rate. 3. You must resist the temptation to go to debt consolidation companies or enlist the help of a loan company if you are facing high levels of personal financial obligation. These alternatives need you to handle even more credit. Rather, deal with the collection agencies and learn what payment alternatives are available to you as you pay your financial obligations. 4. An excellent method to keep on top of your personal finance is to establish a direct debit to be secured of your income every month. This indicates you'll conserve without needing to make the effort of putting cash aside, and you will be utilized to a slightly lower regular monthly budget. You won't deal with the challenging choice of whether to invest the cash in your account or wait. 5. If you discover yourself questioning where all your money is going, it's time to begin keeping an eye on where you spend your cash. There are a number of apps and sites designed to let you see exactly what you're spending your cash on. This is a terrific way to see where you might need to make some lowerings. This makes filing taxes easy and quick. It makes you less most likely to face problems if examine yourself. 6. A key idea to improving your personal monetary solution is paying off your credit card balances in full every month. A terrific way to keep on top of your personal finance is to set up a direct debit to be taken out of your paycheck each month. While personal financing can be difficult at times depending on your monetary circumstance, it must never be tough. Keep your check card receipts and compare them to your check card bill each month. This permits you to identify any errors or fraudulent purchases prior to excessive time has elapsed. The quicker you deal with problems, the earlier they are fixed and the less most likely that they will have a negative impact on your credit report. 7. Pay yourself first. Each month, put a little cash from your income into an emergency situation cost savings account. At some time, you might be faced with unexpected costs, and by doing this you will be able to take care of them without needing to turn to a credit card. Attempt to construct up an emergency situation fund that can cover at least 3 months of living expenses if possible. 8. Bear in mind that you need to have credit to get credit. Everybody ought to have one credit card that they utilize and pay off completely every month to prevent finance charges. It takes discipline, however lending institutions seek to see that you can manage a little financial obligation, and are more likely to use you bigger loans for large purchases, such as a new home. 9. If you desire to truly have healthy financial practices, learning about personal financing is essential. Hit your nearest bookshop to discover some books on personal finance, or take a look at some personal financing publications. Many people who are good with money have actually discovered how to be. It didn't come naturally. Study up. Only you can make your own monetary decisions. Even if that decision is looking for the guidance of a professional, you should do that on your own. Put some of these ideas into practice, and you will see changes in how you deal with and think about money. While personal financing can be stressful at times depending on your financial situation, it ought to never be challenging. As shown by this video, it can be really simple as long as you have the understanding. You will be one step better to manage your personal finance more effectively as soon as you use the guidance given in this video. Thanks for watching. If you felt our video was helpful, please subscribe and like this. See you next video.